Take a deep breath. Inhale, belief. Exhale, truth. Inhale deeply, belief. Exhale, truth. Let yourself settle into this moment, into this truth. I trust myself completely, fully, without question. I trust myself. I trust the words inside me that knows, the whisper that's been guiding me all along, the intuition that's never led me astray, only toward my highest good. I trust my decisions, even the ones that don't make sense to anyone else, even the ones that look like mistakes from the outside. I trust that every choice I've made has brought me exactly where I need to be. I trust my timing. I'm not early, I'm not late, I'm not behind, I'm right on time for everything that is meant for me. My life is unfolding in perfect divine timing, and I trust that. I trust my body. It speaks to me constantly through sensations, through feelings, through knowing. When my body says no, I honor it. When my body says yes, I follow it. I trust the wisdom stored in every cell. I trust my path. And when I can't see the full picture, even when the road ahead looks unclear, even when questions of my direction, I trust that I'm being guided toward exactly where I need to go. I trust my worthiness. I don't need external validation to know I'm enough. I don't need permission to take up space. I don't need proof to believe I deserve good things. I trust that I am inherently worthy just because I exist. I trust my no's. They're not mean, they're not selfish, they're not wrong. They're boundaries, they're self-preservation, they're wisdom. I trust myself enough to say no without explanation. I trust my yeses. And even when they scare me, even when they're unconventional, even when no one else understands, I trust myself enough to say yes to what lights me up. I trust my healing. It's not linear, it's not pretty, it's not fast, but it's mine and it's real and it's happening. I trust the process of becoming who I am meant to be. I trust my vision. The dreams that won't leave me alone, they're not random. The desires that keep calling me forward, they're not frivolous. The life I keep imagining, it's not impossible. I trust that what I can see, I can create. I trust my resilience. I've survived every single hard thing that's happened to me. I've gotten through 100% of my worst days. I've rebuilt myself more times than I can count. I trust that I can handle whatever comes. I trust my growth. I'm not the same person I was last year, last month, hell, last week. I'm constantly evolving, expanding, transforming. I trust that I'm becoming exactly who I'm meant to be. I trust my magic. The way things work out for me when I stop forcing, the way doors open when I stop pushing, the way life flows when I finally trust and let go. I trust that I'm supported by forces I cannot see. I trust myself to know what's right for me, to discern what's mine and what's not, to choose my peace over anyone else's comfort, to honor my truth even when it's inconvenient. I trust myself when my life, with my choices, with my dreams, with my healing, with my journey, with my becoming. I trust myself completely. And when doubt creeps in, and it will, I'll come back to this truth. I always have, I always will know my own way. I have always been my own best guide. I have always been trustworthy. I trust myself, and that changes everything. Take one final deep breath in. Exhale. And let this knowing settle into your entire being. You can trust yourself. You always could. You always will. And so it is.